Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This video is hair color review. Today I would like to review this color by Natural and Easy, Schwarzkopf, and it's 522 Biondo Chiaro Argento, which is basically very light silver blonde. So I bought it at my local supermarket here in Italy. The price was really good and I was attracted to this color because I already used one color from Natural and Easy line and I was impressed, and it's shade 550. You can see a review on that one on my channel as well. I will put the link down below in case you're interested. Basically it's darker natural blonde and I put it on my roots and I was super happy with the quality of the colors and everything. So I was looking at this color and I really love the shade. Obviously not for my roots because I know it's so difficult to actually obtain this exact shade on my roots. Well, it's basically impossible. I tried it many times, but I can only do it with 40 volume developer and professional hair colors, and even then I need to tone my hair and use purple shampoo and whatnot. Anyway, it's a subject for another video, which I already did, so you have my review on those products as well. But this time what I wanted is basically to test this color on my lengths. I haven't done anything to my lengths in the longest time. I haven't done any highlighting in more than 2 years, I'm sure, and I was like, I really want to just freshen up my blonde, and if I can somehow get this shade, it would be awesome. For the price, it was like less than 4 euros. I said I'm going to test it out. I already used these super light box hair dyes on my lengths in the past, and I can say that some of them, like L'Oreal and Garnier one, they really did give my hair shine more than anything else. They did not drastically change the color of my hair because my hair is already light blonde on the lengths, so I didn't really need much lightening power, but they gave really beautiful shine. And the color was more brilliant and just vivid, so I really like the result. Obviously you shouldn't use them too often on the lengths. You can maybe use them once a year or 2 times in a year. That's even too much because they can be quite damaging. Obviously coloring your entire length, for that matter, always is quite damaging. So what I'm doing is I'm only touching up my roots, but with this color here I was like, let's go and have some fun. You know how lockdown affects us all. So you can see the coloring process and my initial thoughts and everything in the little clip that I filmed in my bathroom. Hi guys, so today I'm going to color my hair and I'm not going to be touching up my roots because I actually colored my roots recently. Now the color looks a little bit different under this artificial lighting, but I actually really like it. It's very natural blonde, dark blonde obviously, and yeah, I really like it. But I'm going to be touching up the lengths because I have been highlighting my hair for years now, and the last time I did highlights on my hair was probably like 1 year ago, maybe even longer than that. So I just wanted to, you know, freshen up the blonde that I have. So because I really like this Schwarzkopf Natural and Easy, I decided to pick it up in this shade here, which is, as you can see, super blonde, to just brighten up the color of my length. I'm not going to be using this color, as I've said, on my roots, so I'm guessing I will leave this hair color on my length for like 20 minutes, something like that. This is what I'm thinking, but I will read the instructions. Obviously in the kit you will get these instructions and developer, color, cream color, and a little sample size of conditioner, which is really nice, and a pair of gloves. Okay guys, as you can see, I applied the color on my length. Gosh, it has such an incredible, overwhelming, overpowering, strong chemical scent. It's crazy. I will never ever use it again. I don't care about the result, but it's just so strong. I had to open like literally all the doors and windows in my house because I felt I was going to suffocate, like, and faint. It's crazy. I mean, I used Natural and Easy before, as I've said, and I'm loving it for my roots. 550, super mild, doesn't have any overpowering scent, but I guess here it contains bleach or some sort of really strong chemical. It's just crazy. So that's why, without me talking too much about it right now, I'm going to hop in the shower, rinse this off, because the maximum I want to keep this on my length is 10 minutes. I think that's even too much because I don't want, you know, to damage my length. They are already color treated, bleached, highlighted, whatnot. So I'm scared now because this scent is just way too strong for me. So that's that. Okay, so let me see how this turned out. Haven't seen the result yet. I think I will know more once my hair is dry, but it does look very luminous and very blonde. I will let it towel dry for a little bit longer. Now I will apply this Botu Special Care. It's a reconstructing spray for severely damaged hair that tends to break. So I will apply this on my lengths and then I will towel dry my hair for a little bit more, and then I will blow dry it and show you the result. And hopefully it's nice, but I do think it's nice. I mean, it's not anything, you know, too different from what I had. I think it's just a little bit lighter and shinier, hopefully refreshed. And good thing is that I don't feel that my hair is dry or damaged, so that's good. As I said, I left it in my hair for like 10 minutes, not longer than that, because I didn't want to risk it. So I really do like the color. I have to say these front layers here are so damaged. So damaged. Just not looking good. So I will start doing some conditioning treatments with linseed oil and just hope for the best, because these front bits here, oh gosh, these are so damaged and so fragile. They're just like snapping, as you can see. I just wanted to kind of give my final verdict. I would not repurchase this color again. Because it was just so overpowering in scent. I mean, the chemicals in it were so bad that it's just terrible. I mean, I couldn't breathe, like, honestly, it was so bad. What's the deal with that? When I'm using 40 volume developer, which is the strongest one, with professional hair colors, it never stings in that way. I mean, you can definitely feel the scent of strong chemicals, but this was suffocating me, like seriously suffocating me, and I came to the point when I was telling myself, why are you doing this, you know, what's the point? You don't need all these chemicals on your hair. Your hair is already light blonde. This never happened to me with any other box hair dyes. Just the scent was so strong. I was like, this is suffocating me, this is killing me, like this is poison. I was seriously thinking like that. No way am I going to repurchase this color ever again. I don't know about you, have you ever tried this particular shade? Did you feel that scent being so strong, that chemicals in it? I don't know. Anyways, I definitely would not recommend you to use this hair color if you are natural, let's say brunette, level 6 or even 5. Definitely you shouldn't use it. If you're level 7 it can work on you, but level 6 definitely not. I'm personally level 6, and On my roots it never works well. As I've said, I need a stronger developer or bleach, you know, highlighting. So that's it. I actually do have another color that I haven't used yet from this line, Natural and Easy, and it's shade 560. And it's a bit darker. I mean, it's quite darker than this one, but it's a bit darker than 550 that I used before on my roots, and it's basically Castano Chiaro Natural, which is a natural chestnut. I initially bought this one together with 550 because I wanted to mix them. But then I said I'm just going to go with 550 alone. Was very content with the results, so I did not reach for this one. But now I have it and I kind of want to use it, but I'm thinking this might be too dark on my roots. You know, just comparing it to the rest of my hair, which is very light, and I don't want to go any darker than I already am. So I'm probably going to repurchase the 550 and mix it together with 560 and see what will happen, and I will obviously film that for you. These hair coloring videos DIY at home can be very interesting and helpful actually. Before, you know, purchasing a hair color, I always go and search for reviews and see the results on other people. So that was it in this video. I hope it was helpful. If you have any questions about these hair colors or others that I've used in the past, feel free to let me know, and I will be here to answer to all of your questions if I can. I would really appreciate if you could subscribe to my channel because it means a lot and it's really motivation for me to keep filming. And you can also check out my blog, it's SoniaVerardo.com. I update it as often as I possibly can. Now I'm sending you a big kiss from Italy, and I will talk to you soon in my next video. Ciao!